Welcome to a quick guide on creating your very own Express avatar with DID. Express avatars are based on video, allowing you to replace what the speaker says with a script of your choice.
If you want a truly global reach, go to DID Studio today.
What if we wake up one day to find...
Ready? Let's get started. In the Studio workspace, click on Create an Avatar to get started and select the Express Avatar option. A quick video will pop up. Watch it to catch our best practices and tips. Now, you can either upload pre-recorded footage or record directly through your webcam. If opting for uploading a video, make sure it is 1 minute to 5 minutes long and doesn't exceed 2 GB. If you prefer recording live, you can use a script provided by DID available in multiple languages or simply ad-lib on a topic of your choice. The subject matter is not important as it will be replaced in the videos you make. One more step before we create magic. Record your consent to duplicate your likeness. Just read the script shown on your screen, which is also available in various languages. Once you've validated your consent, hit Create Avatar. And that's it. In just a few minutes, your Express avatar will be ready. You can start using it to create super engaging videos. Step into the spotlight with your Express avatar and start creating with DID today.